What do we have here? It's a cute little cat saying hello. Hello and welcome to Zen Innovations. Guys, if you have an Android 7 cell phone lying around, don't skip this video at all because I'm sure you are going to love this tip to the core. Now Android 7 has a little Easter egg, or you can say a small game where you can invite these cute cats into your phone. To enable this game, first we go into the settings and we scroll all the way down here at about phone. As we can see here, the Android version is 7.1.2. We tap this a few times and here we can see the Android N logo, also known as the Android Nougat. Now we are going to tap this a few times. Just keep playing around with this, and after a few taps you can hold it and you can see a small cat icon here. Now if we tap it again, the function will go off. Let me show you once again if you did not understand. So we are here at the phone status. Click the Android version a few times until you see this N logo, and over here we tap the logo a few times and then we hold it. See, you see a small cute cat here, and that shows that this feature is enabled. Now let's press the home button so that we can go back to the home screen. Pull down the top drawer and you should be able to see a new icon here. Now I have offered treat to the cat, so it is showing as treat. You can also select something else. The next step is to enable the icon which I showed you earlier in this top drawer. So this is the thing which I am talking about. If you don't see this, see the empty dish. If you don't see this, what we will do is we will go back to the top drawer and hit this pencil icon. Now in the pencil icon, the option for cats, or as you can say the empty dish, will be here at the bottom somewhere. As I have already moved it up front here, I can see it in my top drawer, but for you the thing might be down here somewhere. After that done, you should be seeing this icon, and currently it's an empty dish. Well, that's not what cats love, so let's tap on it and I'll offer it a treat. But here guys, the actual treat is being given to you because these cats are extremely cute. Let's check them once more. You can long press this icon and you can see all of these cute cats over here. Now we can hold them, and as you can see, you can share the cat with your friends, and if we click on it, we can also rename them. So let's give it a nice name. That's all for this video. Enjoy and have a nice day, and share cute cats with your friend.